How to find someone's number on Cash app. Hey everyone and welcome back. If you want to add someone or you want to find someone's phone number that you have added before, then you have to first open your Cash app application. Once logged in, tap on the profile on the bottom right. Then after there you will see an option to invite friends. Tap on it and then you will see all the list of phone numbers on your contact book and along with the amount you'll get as a refund. You can tap on it to invite a friend. So this is how you can add a friend on Cash app. But if you want to search for someone who has already been added, go back to the home page or go to the search icon. Once you tap on search box, type in the name or the email of the person whose phone number you are searching for. And this way you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.